Take command of the road in the 2015 Toyota Tacoma. This four-door, five-passenger truck offers the latest in technological innovation and style. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a 4-liter six-cylinder engine. Toyota prioritized comfort and style by including a tachometer, a rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, and more. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and ABS brakes. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Stop in and take a test drive.